Eh, maraming. Somehow I'll make a man out of you.
Pati W to Mexico, guys.
Hindi pa restaurant. Opera restaurant ba? Design. Same, di ba? Di ba?
Kanina sis,
Ano? Okay.
Ano parehas? Check mo nga yung ano ko.
Ayan.
Yung shoes ko. Labas mo na dyan.
Nakayak. Nakisbel.
Yep. Oh, my eyes. Fuck me. Ooh.
Ano yung sabi nila? Mag-helmet ka daw. Ano mo muna siya ka-helmet?
Oo.
Nag-helmet ka pala yung
Oo. May nakita ko na sa TikTok na naka-helmet. Nag-iwan na sibuyas. Ah, shit. Oh, my eyes. Ah.
No, may nakikita ka lang. One pair. Sa'yo, yung
Ano yung white?
design lang. Pero, mindset mo like being like this, may design. Ano siya? Oh, inom. Sama ng pera ng Starbucks, inom.
Wait lang. Hihiwa eh.
Sayang pera ng Starbucks.
Hindi, wait lang. Ano ko yan?
You tell me. Okay.
Galing magugas ang plato na ito, oh.
Wala ka, wala nga ako taste.
Huwag masyado malakas yung
Yeah, I know, I know. Okay.
So, inintay na lang natin maluto yung pasta. Then, okay na ang ating carbonara. Medyo magulo. Ito na yung sauce kanina. Niluluto na. So, masarap naman daw. Approve naman daw kami Mr. Chinito. So, laban na yun. What? I'm filming from the vlogs.
Talaga, nagpas. Eh, ito na yan. Part na yan. First time.
Tapos pagdating natin, wala pa rin. Umaga pala dapat.
O, di gusto mo tayo mangyari yun.
Ay, joke lang!
Gusto mo di matuloy yung race natin, no?
Yeah.
We buy 4,000, we buy traveling here.
Kaya nga. Sponsored by Nerds. That is. Hey, what's up guys? So, today, Spartan race kami.
Yep, at night.
Saan ba tayo? Balangan ba tayo o balay bataan?
Marami Bataan, as far as I know, right?
Hindi ko alam kung nasa balanga tayo. Kasi yun, sa Bataan kami.
Yeah.
Yung Spartan race later is around 6:15 kasi
Wave namin. Susutin tayo.
tapos punta tayo dun ng mga
Now, the question is, can
four.
should be around 4-ish. The question is, you can do it, because I did it before. So, it's for open, I know the courses, but I'm not sure about her, she can
Ay,
keep up.
grabe.
But,
Doon ka naman di ba lumama?
I will be with you until from the beginning to the end. You can tell you what, okay, relax. Okay, so just lock with Sherlock exactly. I'll be fine.
Nilak, guys. Almost there!
Yeah.
Hey!
Pwede na yan.
Ito na kami! Hey! Hey guys!
Hey.
Ito na kami. Spartan! Dati na.
There we go, 5K.
Applause and a warm welcome to our supporter community. This is the beginning of many more race registrations for 2025. You start with the very basic, the Spartan Sprint, which is the shortest. Then later on, you will graduate to the Spartan Super, Spartan Beast, and maybe to the Spartan Ultra, which is 50 kilometers of a distance. It looks hard now, so just don't look. Okay? Are there anyone here who will be racing tomorrow as well for the Trail 10K? There we have it. It's a great video of how you're gonna look like tomorrow.
Ang lakas nila.
Kasi tomorrow, you're gonna run
For sure,
the trail
tomorrow, tulog pa
farther
tayo
than
niyan.
this distance, but with zero obstacles to conquer. Is everyone familiar with the Spartan Trifecta?
Yes.
Alright, since we have a lot of first-timers here, the Spartan Trifecta is the completion of 3 race distances. You're starting right now with it, which is the Spartan 5K. Then we have the Super 10K and the Beast 21K. You want to push further, you want to kick off the Beast, you can do the Spartan Ultra, which is 50 kilometers of distance with 60 plus obstacles. Kasi sa akin is beyond 60 obstacles. You have 2 water stations inside the course. You can take advantage of the water stations to rehydrate. We have dip purified water or official
Alam
hydration
mo na yung
partner
next time.
at the water station. You cannot take the water bottles with you. You can only ask
Gusto mo lang.
volunteers to refill your hydration system
Bigyan mo na,
bottle,
or you put your head.
a vest or a glass. When you're doing the bucket carry and the sandbag carry, when it's time to return it, do not throw it back to the volunteer. If you throw it back, the volunteers will throw it back at you. They know how to fight, and they fight well. They are racers themselves, so they know how to do it properly. Before I actually send it off, I'll be asking you 2 simple questions. The first question is gonna be, who am I? To which you're gonna respond with, I am Spartans. Let's give it a shot. Spartans, who am I? There you have it. And before your actual running through the course, there I said it, you should be running. I'll be asking you what is your profession, to which you're gonna respond with Aru, Aru, Aru. Let's give it a practice. I wanna hear you roar. Spartans, what is your profession? Aru, Aru, Aru. There you go. Before you run 5 kilometers of trail with 21 obstacles, -1. Waiting for you to prove that you are a bona fide Spartan among the very land of Orange. Remember that if you have changed your mind, your body will follow
Pagbasa
no
kasi
matter
sobrang
what you
bigat eh.
face on your journey. Spartans, who am I? Look at the Spartans to your left and to your right. Draw strength from them for taking you to do big and thin. Never retreat, never surrender. Defeat is no option. Spartans, who am I? For tonight is the night that you rise to glory. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right here, right now, in the Ready Baran. Spartans, who am I? Who am I? Who am I? What is your profession? Go, go, go! Good luck, Spartans!
Instead, no, hurdles, napakan niya ako sa likod.
Sorry naman.
Assistance. Yun
Ang
talaga.
hirap eh.
Ayoko
I
din.
did it. Oh, did it.
Did it, Spartan na siya. Did it, Spartan na. Ayaw pa rin bitawan yung headband at yung ano, yung medal. Oh,
What? I earned this.
yan na, right? Oh, diba? Oh, obsessed na. Yung ano. Diba? Oh, guys, oh. Diba? Woo! Here we are with Lahavi changes. Oh, guys. Oh.
Damn it. Nakita niyo yan?
Yeah.
Nakita niyo yan? Hmm?
Spartan.
Eh.
First of many siya.
Yep.
Living her dreams to travel with me.
Yes. Ito yung dati pangarap ko lang to eh. Ito. Love you more.